Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Fiat remote key fob. What we need to do is we need to split the two halves of the case so we can gain access to the battery. We do so by getting our flat-headed screwdriver, and just in the top corner of the fob there is a small indentation where you can put the blade of the screwdriver in, like so, and give it a twist, and it cracks the two halves of the case. And there is your key fob battery. You just get your screwdriver again, and you just get it underneath it, like so, and you just prise it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just get our battery and we just pop it back into the housing. On this key fob, the writing on the battery is facing downwards, so you know it's in its correct location. And now it's just time to pop it all back together. So you get the other half of the case, you make sure everything is all lined up, and you just click it back in place. And there you go, it's all done.